Let's learn how a butterfly grows, step by step. Be with me till end. It is an egg. A butterfly starts as a tiny egg. The mother butterfly lays eggs on a leaf. The eggs are very small. Next, it hatches into a hungry caterpillar. A tiny caterpillar comes out. It eats lots of leaves. It grows bigger and bigger. Then it forms a cozy chrysalis. It stays inside and rests. Amazing changes happen inside. Wow, it's a beautiful butterfly now. The butterfly flies from flower to flower. Then it lays eggs and the life cycle starts again. What an amazing journey! Bye-bye, butterfly!